All right, next, guys, we are going to talk about my top 5 rules of entrepreneurship. I think it's very important to have rules for yourself, having boundaries for yourself. I know you guys are in school right now. What's one of those things in school that you guys make sure you are not putting too much pressure on yourself, or what's some of those things that you do on a daily basis to make sure you're straight when you go to school, mentally?
Are you saying like make sure you get enough rest at night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
I run track too, so it's like I barely have time to do my homework. So like my teachers will have time at the end of the bells, like, okay, do whatever you want. I'll knock out like all of my homework in the rest of the bells, so I don't have nothing to do.
Prioritizing. Good job.